Hello, wagwan lovely people. I go by the name Rema Richie. You know how we do, why we do it, and who we do it for. And today we are back. Tumerudi, tumekuwa missing about 2 weeks and we are back with another episode ya Genzified podcast stories uncle Gigi. You know how we do. Now the Gen Zs are running the streets, we are running the mics, we are running every trending story. So kindly remember to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. To all the returning viewers, you know it's always a high five, and I'm glad that you're here with me, watching, waiting anxiously to know what is going to go down. Leo wadau na wadaudates, nimekuja na the trending stories, topics. By the time this video is coming out, probably it will be about 2, 3, 4 days. So mnavyojua, Must Go aka Kasongo aka Zakayo alikuwa Mlima Kenya. He is currently finished with his tour in Mlima Kenya. Na during his tour huko Mlima Kenya kumetokea rumors, conspiracy theories, whatever you wanna call them. Allegedly, watu wanasema the KPLC tracks that he's been using during the Mlima Kenya tour were 2 tracks with 4 poles each. So watu na story huku nje za sema kwamba hizi lori mbili zilitoka Murang'a, zikatoka Nyeri, zikatoka Laikipia, zikatoka na Rumoru, zikatoka na Tharaka Nithi, zikaenda Embu, zikapitia Runyenjes, zikaenda Kiambu, zikapitia, I mean like watu walipangwa. You know, the same lori zenye nimetoka nazo Murang'a, nimekuja nazo na mchanga na mawe, nawaambia nataka kuwajengea nyumba hapa, ndo natoka nazo, naingia nazo Kiambu, naenda naambia watu wa Kiambu hizi lori na hizi mchanga ndo nataka kuwajengea nazo nyumba, natoka nazo Kiambu, naenda Nairobi, narudi Machakos, Naivasha na the same fucking lorries. So kulikuwa na watu walikuwa na move around with the president, so they documented the whole stuff. Kuna videos hapo already ziko put up out TikTok, others are in YouTube. Now if you don't believe me, you can go and confirm. If possible, I might add some of the short clips hapo hivi mjione nyinyi wenyewe. Another thing, during the Mount Kenya tour mliona vile majority leader Kimani Ichung'wah alikuwa heckled in some of the towns, akakuwa booed. Na juzi while Gachagua alikuwa huko kanisa PCA akatakiwa na some goons, naye Ichung'wah later alikuwa somewhere, na nilimwona kwa video hapo akiongea, kulikuwa na wanawake wa kanisa, like he condemned the act hiyo ya kutumiwa goons ndani ya kanisa. Na Gachagua alitokea out na he was bold, confident, with no fear, akasema anajua nani alituma hawa goons. Wewe hapo unancheki, unafikiria nani alituma hawa goons ndani ya kanisa? Some years back huko kuna watu walichomekea ndani ya kanisa. Sasa watu wanaingia kurusha ndani ya kanisa. Like same story, same script, same author, same writer, same producer. Alafu kuongeza chumvi kwa kidonda, akasemaje the following day, which was yesterday, sasa akiwa kwa ile interview yenye alikuwa, akasema ataenda kupeana them secrets. He let the cat out of the bag. Remember subsidies, tukiambiwa subsidies za fertilizer. Remember tukipromisiwa wakulima wetu bei ya fertilizer inapungua. It has come to my attention allegedly that there are some donations. 40,000 metric tons ya fertilizer from Russia. 30,000 metric tons fertilizer from Algeria. Mark you, these are donations. Yeah? Probably some of us don't know what donations are, so let us define donations. Or a donation, yeah? According to my understanding and my knowledge, mimi najua kwamba donations are materials, property, gifts, money. Like they are things, necessities, may it be needs or wants, that are given to people for free to help and aid them in whatever situation they are going through. So tulikuwa tumepatiwa fertilizer from Russia for free, 40,000 metric tons, 30,000 from Algeria. What did Mr. Kasongo do? Must go akaketi, akaangalia hapa akaona ini 70,000 ya metric tons ya fertilizer. Mimi kama Mkenya naweza geuzaje hii fertilizer ikuwe pesa na bado ifikie watu? He talked to his friends, kina Devki and the rest. They repackaged the fertilizer. The fertilizer was sold to the government, bought again by tax payers money. Mnanipata hadi sahi. Tumepatiwa fertilizer bure na Russia na Algeria. Hata si country moja, country mbili zilikaa hivi zikaamua Kenya ni kama mnahitaji fertilizer, tukapatiwa. Kasongo akaona hapana, leta hii. Devki, chukua, repackage watu, these guys have money, you know. So they repackaged the fertilizers, zikarudishwa kwa soko, zikanunuliwa na pesa ya Kenya, na hiyo pesa tena inarudi kwa must go Joe, hadi wewe bana, you're doing too much.
Bateremusha bei ya stima pale kwa charging station ya pikipiki zenu mpaka $5, which is about 8 shillings. Mmenielewa? Mumeshikanisha hii maneno? Tuko pamoja?
Stealing too much, lying a lot. Nowadays kuna like naweza semaje, people are calling them receipts, yeah, you know. So you might think kitu lituambia na uko 2018, 16, 17, even as far like zina go back to like way back, people were pulling out clips, no. So inaendea ma politicians, influencers, celebrities, be keen, be careful of what unasema. Piga research, make sure you put up your video. When you upload that thing, like whatever you're saying will still be relevant in many years to come, or like it won't conflict, affect your brand. You understand? Sahi wase wamechoka, watu wamekuwa kidanganywa daily.
You know, he went to a place there in Laikipia West to open a classroom done by KDF. But the cost of going there, 9 choppers at a cost of about 4 million shillings, more than 200 vehicles. You know, the personnel, the per diem, the whole thing would have put up about 5 schools. You know, people are just looking at him, you know.
Basis like you we uliza like 5 people when you unaweza meet from now, ask them ni siku gani, like when was the last time they had to talk about the current Kenya government or the president, chief commander, whatever. Like huyu jamaa anaongelewa daily, ako hapa kwa mdomo ya watu daily. Like even people are making fun of it. Na like anything that goes wrong currently, hata ikuwe ni weather, ikuwe ni nini, iko unapika hapo chakula weke chumvi mingi, ni Ruto saa hii. You understand, eh? Like people are making fun of it to that extent. It's not funny. We shouldn't be laughing. So tunafaa kwa drawing board, eh? Tunachora, tunajua like first of all tuko 2025. Msee anapiga campaigns na tax ya Wakenya. So 2027 naisi ya mlima Kenya peke yake, the western region, the southern region, uko north, eastern, whichever place uko. Mimi hata si advocate for anyone yet, cause ara tujajua ni akina nani wamejitokeza kucompete na this guy. But nyinyi wadau, enough of Mr. President. That guy is smart, cunning, clever, witty. Naona kama ni fala tu, lakini that guy very smart. Ni vile like sasa Mr. President Joe, like tuangalia hata sisi si marupurupu tu kitambe. Hizi marupurupu tupate kila siku jo. Enough of that. JKUAT walikuwa na Coca-Cola Fest and the whole OTG gang graced the event. Wakapiga show moja kali sana. They have a video of that show or rather event wakiperform. You can go and check it out on OTG YouTube channel. Kama hujaijua ama hujaipata bado, through Chinku Radio you can access it. Na leo kidogo nisahau, nilikuwa nimewatayarisha kitu kidogo hapa. Something small. Like ni some of the sponsors, yeah, wa today's video. Optimus Internet, the best internet. They are offering Wi-Fi services, fiber, free installation, unapatiwa free router. 5 Mbps ni 1500 shillings, 10 Mbps 2000 shillings, 20 Mbps at 2500 shillings, 30 Mbps at 3000 shillings, 40 Mbps at 4000, 60 Mbps at 60,000. I'll put it up hivyo kwa video. So they have their customer care number down there. You can contact 0741874200 for any inquiry and you'll be assisted. Optimus, the best fiber internet network in town. That aside, Rema Richie, Grandpa Loki, Chinku Radio. Never forget those 3 names, yeah? Rema Richie, Grandpa Loki, Chinku Radio. Kindly support us by subscribing, liking, and also sharing. Kuna story nyingine nimesikia juzi, like how comes the dollar has maintained at 129 shillings since last year, yet the economy has not improved. Guys, what do you think about that? Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. And I'm really looking forward to bringing a guest. I'll not be recording the next episode from this usual spot. I'll be doing it from another location. Probably I'll have 2 guests. Let's wait and see. Thank you kwa wale wamekuwa kinisupport. My till number 891 49 42. Thank you for those who have been sending their donations, supporting this channel. Now, juzi I was in Juja, so we had a chance to record ngoma kwa OTG Records, their studio. They have a studio in Juja. Now, there is a redeem coming out. Wasanii all over the country, let me say. Sana sana wasanii kutoka Juja, K-West, Thika, like hizo mtapo. There is a redeem coming out. I don't want to talk much about it because it's not yet out. Itu nika exclusive tu kidogo. Kuna permission ya producer. Na itakuwa ni deadly. Itamixiwa hapo, ipambwe. Na I hope you'll enjoy it, guys. So without further ado, you know what we always do here. Niguzie hiyo bell kama uja subscribe. Pigie like, no ni commentie. Much content on my TikTok page, Instagram. Make sure to visit them pages. I've been your lovely host, Rema Rich. Until next time, peace out, motherfuckers.